Hi, this is JD of Tying It All Together. A quick reminder, supporting my books helps support the videos I create here. Best to you all, and keep tying. For this project, you'll need 9 feet or about 3 meters of leather cord, a rock, my example is 2 inches or about 5 centimeters in diameter, a lacing fid, and small side cutters. Place the middle of your cord behind the back of your rock. Then, cross the working end on the left over the working end on the right. Take the tip of the working end on the right and slide it under and around the cord above. Repeat the same procedure again, generating a surgeon's knot over the front of your rock. Adjust the position of the surgeon's knot and tighten it firmly. Turn your rock on its side. Then, make a clockwise loop with the upper working end. Slide it around your rock and tighten it firmly. Then, make a counterclockwise loop with the lower working end. Slide it around your rock and tighten it firmly. The completion of these procedures will generate 2 opposing half hitches, the working ends of which will face one another. Now, make a counterclockwise loop with the upper working end. Slide it around your rock and tighten it firmly. Make a clockwise loop with the lower working end, sliding it around your rock and again tighten firmly. Note, the second set of opposing hitches will have their working ends facing away from one another. Continue forward, repeating these 2 sets of procedures until your desired amount of rock face is covered. To generate the bottom of the stitch square, perform the same procedure you did at the top of the square. Cross the working end on the left over the working end on the right, followed by a firmly tied surgeon's knot. Turn your rock around. All cord lines should be parallel to one another, and both the left and right working ends should lie below. To lock the tie, use your fid to make a space up the back spine of your rock. Then, pass the right working end up and under the parallel cords above. Repeat the same procedure in reverse for the left working end. Remove the fid and pull the cord of the left working end tight and back to the left. Then, pull the cord of the right working end tight and back to the right. To complete the piece, use your side cutters to snip the right and left ends of cord. Then, press the cord tips under the wraps.